Hey guys, welcome back to Knowledge Life SolidWorks tutorial series. In this video, we are going to talk about one of the most important 3D features called Loft. Generally, the Loft is used to create a feature by making transition between two or more profile. It can be boss base, cut or surface. You can create a loft surface by using two or more profile. So let's open a part first. Click on the new, click on the part and go for the OK. So I'll choose here first top plane and I'll go for the sketch. So I'll draw here one rectangle, you can see. I'm not going to give the dimension, just let's come out from the sketch. I'll select here, I'll make here some other planes. I'll click on this top plane and I will just drag it. I'll generate one plane. Already I have explained the plane selection method. If you want to study, you can go to the description box. The link has given. You can study those videos also. So click on this. Now I will make one more sketch to this plane. Go for the sketch. Make it normal to the plane. I'll make here one more circle and just go with the OK. Now you can see here, as I have told that two or more profile, I'm having here two profile. Now I can perform the loft operations. Now I'll go for the features. Under features you can see here Lofted Boss Base. Click on this. Now you can see here you have here two options. You have here options where you need to select the profile. So I will select here this profile and this profile. This profile. Now you can see here it's generating a loft. Here one transition is taking place. So we have here some other parameters also. Now you can see here the guide curve option. I will come back to this later. First I will explain you these features. You can see here the start and end start constraint. In the start constraint, this is one none, nothing is selected. That's the reason it's showing you none. First I will start with the normal to the profile. Now you can see here, so this is my starting portion. Here you can see here the starting portion is normal to the profile. In the similar way you can go for the end condition also for normal to the profile. It will generate the shape like this. Here you can see you can give some draft angle also. It applies draft along the start and end profile. Now you can I'll just cancel this, or else you can go with the OK. You can see the preview. I'll just undo this and I will just take here the front plane. I'll go for the sketch. I'll make it normal to the plane. I will create here some sketches which is like this. You can see here I'm just going to make a sketch which is like this. I'll keep it like this and like this. Just click on this and click on this sketch. Give the relation here pairs. Go with this OK. In the same way you can give the relation here and here. Go with the relations. So you can see if you want you can create multiple guide curve also. So I'll just go with this. Click on this. I have here created only one guide curve. If you want you can create the guide curve in same sketch itself. That time you have to use the selection manager concept. I'm just making here a separate sketch. Already I have explained the selection manager concept. If you want you can go to the description box. The link has given. You can study those videos also. Now I will just make here one more profile, which is one more guide curve which is like this. Now here also I will be giving the relation this and this. Give the relation here pairs. In the same way I will be giving here this and this point and this line. Give the relation pairs. Just go with the OK. Now come out from the sketch. Now I will go for the Lofted Boss Base once again, click on this. Now you see here, this is my first profile, this is my second profile. Now I will go for the guide curve. In the guide curve, this is my first guide curve and this is my second guide curve. Now you can see here, it's generating the shape like this. I'll just undo this. Now if you go with the normal loft, like this is your first profile and this is your second profile, you can see you have here one more options which is normal to the profile. So for this already I made a separate geometry, so I'll open this, just cancel this and I'll go back to this. Now suppose I want to create a transition between this circular profile to this profile. So for that what I will be doing, I'm going to use here selection manager concept, which already I have explained. So go for the loft, click on the Lofted Boss Base. I'll right click over there, I'll use the selection manager, I'll click on this edge and go for the OK. In the same way I'll go for the selection manager once again and I'll choose this face here. Choose this edge, this edge, this edge and this edge. Just go with the OK. Now you can see here how the transition is taking place. Here I will go for this option right now. Click on this. We have here option, you can see direction vector. So I'll click on this direction vector. Now for the starting I'll be choosing here this as my direction vector. Now you can see here how it is getting connected. In the same way for the end constraint I'll be choosing here direction vector and I'll be giving here this edge as direction vector. Now you can see here how easily this profile is getting connected with each other by using the direction vector. Just go with the OK. It will generate the shape which is like this. So guys, hope you have enjoyed these tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos on SolidWorks and other CAD software. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.